One of my favorite people at Directions here,
wow.
and I train this guy. You can see he follows my workout regimen. Anyway, tell everybody who you are, your company name, and what you guys do.
Okay, I'm Bob McAdam. I head up strategic partnerships at Tasklet. We're a Danish-based company. We are mobile warehouse management for Business Central, best in class. And we've been doing this for almost 20 years, since 2008.
Years.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Yeah. Hard to believe.
Since you were 15.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hey, now, let me ask you something.
Yeah.
If someone says, man, why do you go to Directions? Because you've been here a lot. What would you say? Why do you come to Directions?
Well, besides to see you.
Of course, of giving.
There's lots of great partners in this room and at this event.
Right.
And we're here to make good relationships with partners and integrate with them potentially so that our solution can be broadened and be really superb for prospects and current customers.
Awesome. And as far as, speaking of your customers, what are you seeing as all these rapid changes happen? What are the customers asking for now that they were not asking for a year ago?
So we've heard a lot of conversations recently about license plating.
Okay, really?
I'm not talking about your GT Mustang, Gary. I'm talking about pallets and containers that have lots of stuff in them, and they have to be identified as such. So we've spent a lot of time in the past few months developing more license plate functionality, which is not native to BC, but it's on our device now.
Wow.
It's running really good, and customers are happy, and they want us to do even more.
That's fascinating. I had no idea.
I know. It's pretty cool stuff.
Listen, man, are you going to ride the roller coaster at the Directions Partner Celebration tonight?
Yeah, but probably, before I have a
couple
vodka.
of,
because I did it last time, and the wrong order,
Well, I hear you, brother. I'm going to shake your hand. Don't squeeze it too hard, because I know you... come on, man.